Welcome to beautiful place of 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 in Sri Lanka. Today yoga flow is totally effective to stress relief your inner and outer body. It will effective to more sensitive place on your internal and external body. If you are ready to release your tension, grab your mat and let's start. Gratitude for universal strength. Allow yourself to get this energy to your mind and body. Slowly come to seated position, Vajrasana. Relax your neck side to side. Turn to the left side and slowly turn to the right side. Again, turn to left side and turn to the right side. Simple doing this exercise to relax your muscles and going with simple breathing and breathe out. Then move to the up, down. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Again, inhale up, exhale, down. Simple doing this exercise to relax your muscles. Roll in your shoulders forward. Release all the tension, pain, any negative feeling, thoughts from your mind and body. And get energy, positive thoughts and strength to your body and mind. Then roll in back your shoulders. Release all the tension, pain, any negative feeling, thought from your mind and body. And get energy, positive thoughts and strength to your body and mind. Allow yourself to normal breathe in and breathe out. Then move to deep breathe and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. While exhale, release all the tension, stress, pain, lazy, negative feeling, negative attitude from your mind. While inhale, welcome to the new oxygen to your body with universal strength and spiritual thoughts. Slowly bend your upper body forward. Stretch your arms forward. Get simple breathing and breathe out. While exhale, try to image from your mind that release all the pain in your arms. Now slowly move to the left side. Your mind feel wonderfully relaxed with this beautiful environment. Get simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly come center. Slowly move to the right side to visualize yourself relatively becoming lighter. You will feel free. Then slowly come center. Keep your knee and palms on the floor. While inhale, stretch forward, look up, exhale and roll in back your stomach. Again, inhale and stretch forward. Exhale and rolling back. While stretch forward, get positive energy to your mind and body. While shrinking your abs, Release all the tension from your mind and body. Now slowly release your right arms and keep it on the mat, crossing with left arm. Connect your mind with this beautiful natural environment. Allow yourself to interact with this natural beauty. Relax. Now slowly raise your left arm and keep it on the mat, crossing with right arm. Connect your mind with this beautiful natural environment. Allow yourself to interact with this natural beauty and go with simple breathing and breathe out. Relax. Now slowly walk 4 steps from your palms and keep your chest and chin on the floor to come to happy puppy pose. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your elbow on the mat and put down, come to baby cobra. Go with simple breathing and breathe out. Interact your mind and body, this beautiful natural environment. Slowly close your eyes. Try to visualize this natural environment in your mind. Love this tranquil green environment. Get the energy that comes with clean air. Through that, visualize on your mind your inner and outer body relax with up to down and down to up. Focus your subconscious mind on it truly. Give the weight to your palms and toes. Slowly raise your butt up. Bring the right leg forward and keep it 90 degrees. Raise both hands toward the sky, come to Warrior One pose. By practicing this asana, you can increase stamina. Your empathy will go on your mind and body. Then spread both hands, come to Warrior Two pose. By practicing this asana, you can increase patience and endurance. It will help to manage the stress caused by the problematic situation faced on daily basis. It will be an opportunity to work with clear mind. Keep your elbow on the right knee. Angle your left hand and it's close to your left ear. Look up. Then slowly keep left hand on left leg. Angle right hand and it's close to your right ear. Come to reverse warrior. Look up and go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Keep your palms on the wrist. While inhale, stretch your upper body back and exhale, bend your upper body forward. While release your arms forward, remove all the tension, negative feeling, indifference, fatigue from your inner and outer body and mind. Continuously focus your mind on it and go with simple breathing and breathe out. Relax. While giving the weight to your right leg, slowly stretch your upper and lower body. Come to Warrior Three pose. Concentrate your mind and body with Warrior Three pose. Relax. Then move to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Slowly bring your right leg back. Keep left leg in 90 degrees. Raise both hands toward the sky. Come to Warrior One pose. Breathe in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then spread both hands. Come to Warrior Two pose. By practicing this asana, you can increase patience and endurance. It will help to manage the stress caused by the problematic situation faced on daily basis. Keep your left elbow on left knee. Angle your right hand and it's close to your right ear. Look up. Remove all the tension, negative feeling, indifferent, fatigue from your inner and outer body and mind. Then keep your right hand on right leg. Angle left hand and it's close to your left ear. Come to Reverse Warrior. Look up and go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Keep your palms on the wrist. While inhale, stretch your upper body back and exhale, bend your upper body forward. While release your arms forward, remove all the tension, negative feeling from your inner and outer body. While giving the weight to your left leg, slowly straight your upper and lower body. Come to Warrior Three pose. Concentrate your mind and body with Warrior Three pose. Close your eyes and try to visualize the asana from your mind. Relax. Go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release the hands toward the sky and bend knee to come Utkatasana 1. Close your eyes and go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then move to Utkatasana 2 pose. Again, close your eyes and go to simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep the knee and toes on the floor. Come to Virasana. It will help to manage the stress caused by the problematic situation faced on daily basis. Relax. Forward your legs. Arms up. Inhale. While exhale, bend upper body forward to move Paschimottanasana. If you can, try to keep your forehead on the knee. It is the best asana to improve the function of digestive system. Relax. Lay down mat. Now bend the left knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hands. Breathe well. Release all the tension from your mind and body. Relax. Now bend the right knee and pull to your side, supporting from your hands. Breathe in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Keep the left leg on right knee, then slowly raise the right leg up, going with simple breathe in and breathe out. Change to other side too, going with simple breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Now bring the both legs to your side and give the big hug to your knees. Come to 𝗙𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙 feeling indifferent, fatty from your inner and outer body and mind. Continuously focus your mind on it and go with simple breathing and breathe out. Relax and keep your feet on the floor. Bend right side and hold in Vakrasana, going with simple breathing and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Come center and bend to the left side too, going with simple breathing and breathe out. Relax. Straight your legs forward. Bend your knees and feet together. Relax your total body up to down and down to up. Release all the tension from your body and mind. Finally, slowly come to Shavasana to end today's yoga journey. Close your eyes. Relax your total body. While inhale, think good thoughts such as compassion, kindness, mercy, peace, and love. Fill your heart from positive thoughts. Spread love, mercy, kindness, and compassion every single animal in this universe. When exhale, remove all the negative feeling from your mind. Remove hatred, delusion, anger, jealousy, and lust. Open your eyes and let us start the day with new mind. 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪